Hey guys, we're here in the training center with Sedge, talking about the all-new CT15. Guys, can you walk us through some of the features? Take it away.
Okay, so when you first look at this, check it out. It looks like a mini in the midi. But the difference, it's got a 4-gallon capacity inside the bag. All right, also, it's got 130 CFM, just like the mini and the midi. But this is something a little bit different. We call it our introductory level dust extractor. It's got a price tag of only $349. So what do you get with that? Well, when you look at this, you can say, oh look, the hose is on top. It's stored on top by this really cool rubber band. It comes with a non-anti-static hose, which this end fits every single Festool tool that takes dust extraction here. And inside, we throw in an upholstery tool and a crevice tool. On the side here, it's got the external cartridge filter, HEPA filter, but the whole dust extractor is a full HEPA certified dust extractor. On the side here, you have a blower port in case you gotta blow something off, okay? On the front, you have variable suction. If I hit this button that says manual, that means the dust extractor comes on. When I turn the dust extractor on, and I take a plug-in cord and put it in there, when I cycle on the tool, the dust extractor comes on.
Awesome.
It's got a lot of great features and a killer price tag at $349.